Today we're going to talk about jobs and how to turn a statement into a question. Keep watching, we're going to do this right now. So first of all, when we talk about jobs, we want to know what are some job titles. So let's go through a few of them. Teacher, doctor, dentist, fireman, handyman, waiter, lawyer, secretary, photographer, cleaner, builder, electrician, plumber, sales assistant, hairdresser, bus driver, actor, gardener, postman, painter and decorator. How many jobs is that? How do you say what job you have? What do you do? So that's a good question to ask. What do you do? Or what job do you have? So the answer is I am a, and then we say the answer. I am a teacher. You are a doctor. He is a dentist. She is a lawyer. We are bus drivers. They are gardeners. So the basic structure is, so the pronoun, the verb to be, a, and then the job title. I am a teacher. You are a dentist. He is a photographer. So that's a structure to say what your or someone else's job is. If it is plural, then we don't use a. We say, for example, they are doctors. So we don't say they are a doctors, no. We say they are doctors, and we pluralize the word doctor. That becomes doctors. We are gardeners. So that's how we say what our or someone else's job is. How can we turn the statement into a question? So we said, didn't we? Pronoun, the verb to be, a when it's singular, and the job title. So if we turn the pronoun and the verb to be around, then we'll say the question. Am I a teacher?
Yes, I am.
Are you a dentist? Is he a photographer? Is she a plumber? Are we electricians? Are they sales assistants? So, this is easy. Turn a statement into a question. How do we answer the question? So, are you a teacher? Yes, I am. So we say yes or no, and then the pronoun and the verb to be. Yes, I am. Is he a dentist? No, he isn't. Is she a lawyer? No, she isn't. Are we gardeners? Yes, we are. Are they sales assistants? No, they are not. So we've talked about job titles. We've said how we can say our job, and we've learned how to change that into a question and give a simple answer. Are you an English student? Yes, you are. And continue to learn British English right here. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, click that subscribe button and the bell so you keep up to date with all the latest videos. If you want to know what level your English is, please contact me on my Instagram page and ask me for the test to show you your English level. And then we can work out your private lesson plan so you can continue to learn English here at Celta English. We look forward to seeing you again next time on Celta English.